Healing is a journey or a process. Healing is not a destination. Everyone heals at their own speed and power. This statement makes us realize that everyone is an individual and everyone heals and grows at their own speed and energy. COVID 19 has brought a lot of change and crisis over the last 2 years, and everyone has their way of dealing with this crisis and dealing effectively with the crisis. Some individuals obviously succumbed to the whole distress, but many has emerged out of the distress wonderfully. It's very important to understand why emerging out of a situation is as important as dealing with the situation, understanding the situation. Firstly, everyone's experience is extremely different from another person when it comes to a situation. Everyone looks at a situation differently. So it's very important to let an individual or a person grow, develop and evolve at their speed. Because of the pandemic, people has developed different strategies to deal with the crisis, to deal with the problem, to seek a different outlook to their mental health distress. To be very frank, how did I personally deal with the whole pandemic time? I tried to work it out. I tried to do my work. I tried to get engaged with a lot of books. I started reading a lot of books. I started doing a lot of altruistic work like volunteering. I started my own internship in a place that helped me be more altruistic towards certain things. And I also started working towards my own growth, own positive energy, emerging out of the distress in a positive way and not fretting over the problems. Dealing with a problem has a lot of outlook. Either you can fret about it, either you can emerge wonderfully out of it. It's important to emerge out of a problem. Understand that problems are temporary and hence we have to deal it with that lens so that we don't succumb to that problem. Let's be very positive. Let's be in this journey together and find positive ways of solving problems, understanding each other, and also loving oneself. It's important to emerge out of a problem. Understand that problems are temporary, and hence we have to deal it with that lens so that we don't succumb to that problem. Let's be very positive. Let's be in this journey together and find positive ways of solving problems, understanding each other, and also loving oneself during this time of pandemic. Loving oneself is also very important. Let's love ourselves. Let's grow towards a positive self, and also let's love the ones who are near and dear to us. And also let's not forget what to give to the society, how to be finding positivity in giving and taking. So that's all about it. Please take care of your mental health. Go to a therapist if you need. Go to a psychiatrist if it is in the times of emergency. And take good care of yourself. Have good food. Dress up if you want. Be happy and try to find inner peace. Please take care.
COVID-19 pandemic has had a major effect on our lives. Many of us are facing challenges that can be stressful, overwhelming, and cause strong emotions in us. Children are feeling these changes more deeply. With schools around the world closed, we the students are facing unprecedented changes. If there is darkness now, then light will surely come after this. I have tried my level best to keep myself stress-free during the pandemic period. I tried to keep myself engaged in various activities such as drawing, singing, making crafts, playing indoor-outdoor games to keep my mind free from all the negative thoughts. I prevented myself from watching news. It's good to stay informed about what's happening in the area, but too much news about COVID deaths was adding to my anxiety. I had set limits on my media consumption and smartphone use. I practiced meditation early in the morning in the open atmosphere to keep my mind fresh and calm. I started reading a dozen of storybooks which I had never done before. I tried to relate to the stories which took me to a different world. I communicated with my friends and relatives who were also coping up with stress during the pandemic. Controlling stress during the pandemic situation was challenging for all of us, but it was not at all impossible.
Stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to cope with mental or emotional pressure. Nowadays, stress is a very common problem and almost everyone has suffered from it at some point of time. During this COVID pandemic situation, almost everyone has suffered from stress and depression. During the beginning of the pandemic, I too suffered from stress. Due to this stress, I have suffered a lot of problems. I used to get irritated even at small things and I became very lazy. I did not want to study and I used to sit in the corner of my room all alone. I used to miss my school and my friends very much. My parents then suggested me to do the things that I like, and then I got some ways to reduce my stress during this pandemic. After that, I used to spend most of the time playing guitar and I learned many songs and played them on my guitar. I also did some craft work with the old items of my house. Whenever I had nothing to do, I used to listen music. Whenever I felt alone, I used to go to our garden and sit and spend time with the plants and beautiful flowers. And it was very refreshing and I loved it. The rest of the free time I used to spend with my family, and the thing I loved the most was listening stories from my grandparents. It was the best way for me to reduce stress.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunisha Sengupta. I hope you guys are safe and sound, and I'm here to share my pandemic and lockdown experience. So going back to 2019, যখন কোভিড ব্রেকডাউন হয়েছিল অল ওভার দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, বাট ইন্ডিয়াতে তখনও আসেনি, বাট আমার কলেজ বন্ধ করে দিয়েছিল বিকজ অফ দ্য CAA অ্যান্ড ক্যাব প্রটেস্টস অ্যান্ড র্যালিজ দ্যাট ওয়ার টেকিং প্লেস ইন দ্য কান্ট্রি, অ্যান্ড আমাদের এক্সামস পোস্টপোন করে দিয়েছিল আর বলা হয়েছিল যে তোমরা নিজেদের এক্সামটা দাও জানুয়ারি মাসে, তারপর নিজেদের ইন্টার্নশিপস করো, অ্যান্ড দেন ফ্রম মিড মার্চ আর থার্ড উইক অফ মার্চ আমরা তোমাদের ক্লাসেস স্টার্ট করে দেবো। বাট দেন আমাদের হয়ে গেল লকডাউন, and for me lockdown has been different, but it hasn't been difficult at all. I got a lot of time to spend with my family, especially my sister. She works, so I barely get time to spend with her, but I got the opportunity of spending time with her. Also my pet puppy, who was 5 or 6 months old when the lockdown happened, and it is literally the most beautiful feeling in the world to see your puppy grow, and I got that opportunity. Disadvantages ছিল obviously. To get into the funny disadvantages, প্রচুর কাজ করতে হয়েছে, লিটারালি প্রচুর কাজ করতে হয়েছে। মানে এরকম ছিল না যে আমরা আমাদের হাউস হোল্ড ওয়ার্ক জানতাম না। আই নো কুকিং, আই নো দ্য হাউস হোল্ড ওয়ার্ক, বাট উই ডোন্ট ডু ইট ইন আ ডেইলি বেসিস, রাইট? তো ইট ওয়াজ ইনিশিয়ালি ডিফিকাল্ট, বাট আস্তে আস্তে অভ্যেস হয়ে গেল আমাদের। রিয়েল স্ট্রাগল যেটা আমি ফেস করেছি ইজ I was supposed to go to Bombay for my higher education, but I had to cancel that because family was extremely skeptical कि মেয়েকে এত দূর পাঠাবো না, লকডাউন, কোভিড, একলা থাকতে হবে, সো অ্যাডমিশনটা ক্যান্সেল করতে হলো। বাট লেটস সি দ্য ব্রাইটার সাইড, সব কিছু প্রোজ অ্যান্ড কনস হয়, অ্যান্ড এটারও ছিল। সো যদি আমি লাস্ট ইয়ার স্টার্ট করতাম এডুকেশন, তাহলে আমার একটা পুরো বছর অনলাইন কেটে যেত। বাট ওয়েরাজ এখন উই আর অ্যাওয়্যার কি নেক্সট মান্থ থেকে কলেজেস অ্যান্ড স্কুলস খুলে যাচ্ছে, তো উই ক্যান গো, উই ক্যান স্পেন্ড টাইম উইথ আর নিউ ফ্রেন্ডস, উই ক্যান গেট টু মিট আর নিউ ফ্রেন্ডস যাদের সাথে আমরা কখনো দেখা করিনি। অলসো we get to enjoy our campus life and a lot of benefits we are getting. Restrictions ache, protocols ache, won't deny that, but there is a benefit. Also I feel everybody should have some kind of recreation in life. Dancing is something that I love, it's my passion, and it has kept me sane and motivated during the lockdown, and everybody should have some kind of recreation in their life. So in that note only, I would say that please stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. I know a lot of people have struggled during lockdown. Some have struggled financially, educationally. People have struggled to go back to their hometown. People have lost their loved ones to COVID, which is extremely tragic, extremely tragic. But এটাই বলবো যে এখন we should move on, we should make our lives better, but we shouldn't forget that this deadly virus isn't over, মানে পুরোপুরি মিটে যায়নি এখন অবধি। So we should be careful, wear your masks, keep yourselves sanitized, ভ্যাকসিনেশনটাও নিয়ে নাও প্লিজ। So on that note, thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye.